If you are a flashaholic, if you are flashing custom ROM and you love to check the ROMs on your mobile phone, then I will definitely say check out the Evolution X 11.9, the latest version on the Redmi Note 11. If you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video, keep sharing it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, click the select all. Thank you, I appreciate that. So friends, good day and hope you all must be doing good. Request was coming to flash the Evolution X, the latest version on the Redmi Note 11. Evolution X having a different theme, and the Evolution X version you can see 11.9, which is actually latest one, and the Android security update, check it out, 1st July 2026. The latest version for the Redmi Note 11, thanks to the developer who put this ROM for the Redmi Note 11. So I flashed the ROM and believe me, ROM is good, awesome, bringing some changes. You can see the widgets looking beautiful, the icon, look at the icons and the wallpaper. Yes, it is bringing changes. Just check out the battery signal bar and Wi-Fi signals and the network bars. Now check out the QS panel. Check the display brightness bar and the sound bar, the volume bar, and rest the QS panel. It is looking very beautiful. It got a change and which is looking nice on the Redmi Note 11. So friends, I checked the ROM. ROM is good, performing very nice on the Redmi Note 11 and also having a very good battery life, and you will see that there is no lagging with this version.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
I play some music via Bluetooth to check the Bluetooth. Yes, the Bluetooth is working very fine.
दोपहर बखैर, जाज में खुश आमदीद, जहां बेहतरीन कस्टमर सर्विसेज हमारी तरजीह है। रखने के लिए बराए मेहरबानी अपनी जबान सेलेक्ट करें। उर्दू जबान का इंतखाब करने के लिए 1 मिलाएं। Press 2 to
So I make a call also. I check the Bluetooth. I make a call via Bluetooth and it is working fine. There is no disturbance with the Bluetooth and the calling is working absolutely fine on the device also. So the face unlocking is working very fine and very fast. Let me show you once again. Yes, and the fingerprint scanner is also working very fast. Applications straightly downloaded from the Google Play Store. ROM is not rooted, so the banking application does not have any issues. Like if you are opening the banking application, you will see that there is no issue opening the banking application. You can use the banking application without any hesitation. So watch your favorite videos on YouTube or Netflix working fine with this ROM. By going to the settings and going to the evolver, you can actually modify the ROM. And if you tap here, you can actually make the device certified by going to the spoofing here. You can use Tricky Store to make the device certified and you can use the Play Integrity Fix. Also, there are lots of more things. You have to check it out. Few applications coming by default with the ROM. The basic call recorder is also here, which will record all the calls automatically without an announcement. The camera application working very fine. If you are taking pictures, it will take immediately and record your videos also. It does not have any issues. Yes, the camera application does not have any issues. If you are using front camera or rear camera, both are working very fine. Now watch further video how to flash the ROM on the Redmi Note 11. Before flashing a ROM, you have to do these things, which are, first of all, your mobile phone bootloader must be unlocked, okay? In case if the bootloader is not unlocked, you cannot flash any custom ROM. And in case if you have any custom ROM installed already, doesn't matter, but before flashing the custom ROM, you must know that your mobile phone was updated once to the Hyper OS stock ROM, right? Check the mobile phone battery, it must be charged. In case if the battery is below 30%, then charge the mobile phone battery. Save all the internal storage data, whatever data you have, like pictures, videos, etc. Everything will get formatted, right? Select swipe as a screen lock to turn off the screen lock. In case if you are using HyperOS ROM, stock ROM, and in case if you have logged in the Xiaomi account, must remove it to avoid issues. Sync your Google account once, must remove it to avoid issues. Well, if you have done all these things, then simply power off the mobile phone. Official website link provided in my video description. Evolution X for the Redmi Note 11. If you see, Android version is 16 and the Evolution X version is actually 11.9, which got released on Friday 10th July 2026. This is the current and latest one. If you click how to install, then the files will appear on your screen. The boot.img file, yes, you have to download, and the vendor_boot image file also, and the Evolution X, which is currently latest one. These three files you have to download, right? In my case, I have downloaded all the files already, and we have to download the platform tools also. So first of all, extract the platform tools in same folder. Then copy boot.img file, Evolution X ROM file, and the vendor_boot.img file. Copy these files from the downloaded folder, open the extracted folder of the platform tools, paste all three files over here. So files got copied, right? Just rename the ROM file to make the things easy. Press F2, erase the file name and give a name rom.zip, right? Press enter key. Now right click on the cmd.exe, then left click on run as administrator. Click yes on next pop-up window. So command window will open. Use a good quality of data cable and check the other side of the data cable must be connected with computer. Check the mobile phone, it must be totally power off. Press and hold the volume down key, then connect the cable with the mobile phone. You will see the mobile phone will get booted into fast boot, then release the volume down key, right? So the phone is booted into fast boot mode, connected already with the computer. On my computer screen, the command window is already open. So I will flash the boot image file first. Let's check the mobile phone is connected properly or not. For that, type the command fastboot space devices, enter. Well, you can see this is the serial number of my mobile phone and currently booted and connected into fast boot mode, right? Now start flashing the boot image file by giving the command fastboot space flash space boot space boot.img. Press enter key. Recovery will start flashing and it will be done. Now it is time to flash the vendor_boot. Type the command fastboot space flash space vendor_boot space vendor_boot.img. Press enter key. Okay, done. Now reboot the mobile phone by giving the command fastboot space reboot. Press enter key. Immediately press and hold the volume up key before Me logo. Just hold it, press for 5 seconds and then release. You will see the Evolution X recovery will get appears on the mobile phone. Now, first do the factory reset. Tap factory reset, then a format data factory reset, format data. Done. Go back, tap apply update, apply from ADB. Phone is booted into ADB mode, coming back towards my computer screen. Now start flashing the ROM file. First, check the mobile phone connected. So for that, type the command ADB space devices, press enter key, wait for it. Yes, the mobile phone is connected into sideload mode. Now start flashing the ROM file. Type the command ADB space sideload space rom.zip. ROM is the file, the ROM file that I have renamed, right? Then press enter key. So the ROM file will start transferring to the mobile phone and it will get flash also automatically. Wait for it. So on the command window, you will see at the 47%, the mobile phone will prompt to install additional package. We don't have to install any additional package. So I will tap no. So flashing got completed. I will close the command window and I am done from the computer. Disconnect the data cable from the mobile phone. and tap reboot system now. The mobile phone will stay on the Mi logo, then it will start booting to the Evolution X ROM. The first boot will not take that much time. Finally, first boot completed. So this is the new welcome screen of the Evolution X, right? I will complete the setup screen. So check out the desktop screen of the Evolution X on Redmi Note 11. So these are the default applications coming with the ROM. The Google Play Store is provided because the ROM is coming with gaps. There is no need to flash the gaps separately. These are the applications coming with by default. So I will tap settings. So this is the settings interface. Always the Evolution will provide the evolver to modify the ROM the way you like. If I go to the about phone, device Redmi Note 11, Android 16, if I tap here, this is Evolution X. You can see the Android version 16. Evolution X version is 11.9. And 1st July 2026 is the security update date. You can see, right? Best ROM for the Redmi Note 11. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.